it's me, Hasbet with WTI. And if you like wearing makeup, but you are worried about it not staying all night, well, this e.l.f. mist is so good, and I want to tell you everything about it. This is the Stay All Night Microfine Setting Mist from e.l.f., and this is such a refreshing makeup setting spray. And I love that my makeup stays on and it looks just perfect for a long time. I use it especially when I am going out at night and I'm gonna be sweating because of dancing or hanging out, walking with friends. I think this is great because I don't have to be touching up my makeup all the time because I know that it stays on with this mist. I love that it comes in a decent size. It is not a huge bottle, but it's not too small either. And it gives my makeup a dewy look, which is something that I like. It is also hydrating and refreshing. So if you want to get one of the best makeup setting sprays in the market, well, this one I highly recommend. I have bought multiple bottles of this one and it's still my favorite, and that is my point of view.